Good morning. This is the Shakers report for September 2nd, 2011. We're taking a look at the SPY. You can see today we spiked up to this resistance point, then we sold down and closed at the lows of the day. Let's take a look at the daily chart. You can see we closed here at 120.88. We could see some more selling. We do have the unemployment rate, so if that turns out to be negative, we could see some more selling. We'll have some support at this 120 area and then 119.50. If it breaks below that, we could see 119, possibly 118. Resistance above, we have resistance at around 122 and then the 123 area. Let's take a look at today's trades. First we have symbol AUY. Probably looks familiar to you. We've had this on our report a couple times now. We've been bouncing off of this resistance level at 1620, which is the 52-week highs. We're going to look for a breakout above this area. Look to take it long at 1623. First profit target is going to be 1638, so right about here. Second target is 1654, right here. Then manage the rest with the trailing stop. We could see some resistance here up in this $17 area. If we get some buying in the market, we could see this trending up into that $17 area. Next up is AEP. Let's take a look at the daily chart. You can see that we bounced off this 52-week high at $39 three times. We're going to look for a breakout above this area. Look to take it long over 39.15. First profit target is going to be 39.54, so right here. Second target is 39.93, and then I'd hold your last piece, see if we get a breakout above 40. Could get into this 40.50 area, possibly even 41. Next up is symbol AWK. You can see we're trending back up to this resistance area here around $30 to 30.20. We're going to look to take this long on a breakout. Look to take it long over 30.30, so right about here. Take it long. First profit target is going to be 30.60, so it's going to be right below this next resistance area here. Second target is 30.90, and then I'd keep a small piece, see if we can break over to 31 into this 30.50 area. We could possibly trend higher. I'm going to look for around that 31.50 area as my last target. Next up is symbol PGN. You can see we're trending up to this 52-week high area again, this $49 area. We're going to watch for a breakout over this $49 area. Look to take it long over 49.15, so right there. First profit target is going to be 49.64, so right there. Second profit target will be take some off just under the $50 area, so like 49.98. Take some off there. Hold a piece, see if we can break over 50. If we get a break over 50, we could come into this 50.50 area and possibly even 51. You can start with a small piece on this breakout, and then watch for a pullback that makes a higher low. Add your second piece and see if we can trend up into these target areas. Now let's take a look at the short trades. Here we have symbol IVR. You can see we're bouncing off of these support areas at 1650. We're going to look for a breakdown below 1650. Look to take it short below 1644, so right about there. Take it short. First profit target is going to be 1629, so right about here. Second profit target is going to be 1613, so right there. Then hold a small piece. See if we can get breakdown below $16. We could come into this 1580 area and possibly even 1550. On the breakdown, you can start with a small piece. Watch for a pullback. Makes a lower high. To add your second piece. See if we can get it trending down into these target areas. Next we have WCRX. You can see here on the daily chart we're testing this $16 support area. We're going to look for a break below this. We want to clear this low here. So I'd look for a break below 1575, right about there. Look to take it short. First profit target is going to be 1560, so right about here. Second profit target 1545, so right here. Then keep a small piece, see if we can come down into this $15 area. Next up is SAI. You can see we gapped down below the support area, sold off on a downtrend the rest of the day. We're going to look for a continuation down. Look for a short below 1280 right there. Take it short below 1280. First profit target is going to be 1268, which is about 1%. Second profit target is going to be 1256. Hold a small piece. See if we can come down into this 1225 area and possibly even $12. And last we have symbol DB. You can see we've been consolidating right above this support area at about 37.45. We're going to look for a break of this support. We're going to look to take it short below 37.40, so right about here. Take it short. First profit target's going to be 37.05, so right there. Scroll in so you can see this here. So first profit target's 37.05. Second profit target is 36.68, so right here. Then keep a small piece. See if we can come down into the 36.30 area and possibly 36. So those are the trades for today. Hope you guys have a great holiday weekend. Remember, the markets are closed on Monday. So you guys have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you on Tuesday.